I'm in Mama's kitchen. I'm gonna make gourmet meatloaf. I cut this out of the newspaper about 45 years ago. I've been using it ever since. I haven't found another one that I like. So let's get started here. First thing, we'll cut up some vegetables here. Winds up being like half of a small onion, half of a big bell pepper. I used to worry about keeping the bell pepper real fine, but now I kind of like it to be a little bit chunkier. Okay, I'm going to preheat the oven to 375. Okay, I'm going to put the peppers and onion in there. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, it takes 12 saltine crackers, the little ones. I just hammer it out. Alright, now, the crackers are all hammered out now, so we're going to go to meat. Okay, I'm going to put the hamburger meat in with my perfectly clean hands. 1 pound of chuck. Then we're going to do half a pound of Potter's regular sausage. Okay, just mix them in there together. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of ketchup, and then we're going to put eggs in. Okay, now we mix it together, and it gets a little cold. You just got to think about how good this is going to be when you get done. Mainly it's just getting this egg all mixed in and that making sure the sausage is getting mixed. Now we'll do milk. We're going to do a cup of milk until it gets where it'll scald. You don't want it to boil, so you need to kind of watch it. You need to get little bubbles that go all the way around, and right before it starts boiling, it's ready. Put the crackers in this when the milk gets done, and then you're going to have your cold and hot stirring together. Okay, that's what it looks like right before it boils. See how it scalds the pan? We're going to turn the fire off and add our crackers. Hopefully without a big mess, but who knows. Okay, we need to work fast for this. Get this all mixed in and we'll be done. Okay, get it all mixed up and we'll be ready to go here. Put ketchup on top if you want. Ketchup one without whenever I have the kids over. Not a whole lot. We're going to put it on for an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, Not much grease. Usually I have a little bit in the bottom. Okay. Smells good. I'm hungry.
If you like this video, please subscribe. See you next time on Mama's Kitchen.
If you like this video, push the subscribe button. What was that? If you like this video, push the subscription button.